Hey, this is John Battaglia with At Ease Home Inspections. Sometimes we're on an inspection and we just kind of want to take things to another level. If the house smells very strongly of pets, we might get out our trusty Blacklight. Flip this around and show you here. So we get this going, and sometimes we can see some other stuff that's a little bit interesting. Namely, maybe the carpet didn't get cleaned up all that well. Come in here, you see. So I can see all that with a black light. And then it's interesting too, some of the other stuff you can see with this. No, not what you think, but you can see the ceiling. You can see a little bit without it, but you put that up there, and there's a lot of mold on this ceiling, and the black light helps to show that as well. So yeah, just one way we try to take it to another level and help our clients know what they're putting their money into. If you have any questions about home inspections, you can go to our website or email us using the link on this video. Thanks.